Yeah, kittens. Oh, look at you rushing me. I love that. Jump back over, Mom. Hey, Chris. Bag of kitten food, please. Who's still asleep? Echo's asleep in the Coliseum. This looks like it's Keeli. Okay, I found out why the boys had their bellies shaved. They had basically their testicles did not descend, so they had to go hunting. And there was 3 kittens like that, 2 of them right here, and they really slowed things down for the neuter spay procedures. Most of the foster moms couldn't leave until after 3. I mean, nearly 5 p.m. You need to get 1 milliliter twice a day, guys. That's this pink stuff. That's only half of it.
Did you get it in?
Yep.
Poor kitten. Don't forget you has a package.
Okay. You can have one. Yeah, that's good. Well, this is maize here. Not kiwi.
The kitten's got the black collar.
Yep. I didn't see the collar.
So who's the one that eats the beds?
5s. You go rinse. Go put that in the kitchen sink. I'll take care of it.
I can take care of this.
Okay, well just rinse it out. If that cup's still there, use it.
2 seconds.
I forget what the term is called. I mentioned it in the chat. It's like secret clothes or something like that. Let's do an inspection. Okay, you look good, Mom. Rex did not get, 5s did not get neutered because the vet said that he's got a sinus congestion thing, URI. So he's getting medication, antibiotics. Take care of it, then he gets neutered. But due to that, he will not be being adopted this coming Saturday. So, since I can't keep him here by himself, he needs a buddy. Rex will be staying with him. Rex will be staying with him. Talk to that cam too. So the adopter who gets 5s and Rex will have to wait at least another week. Okay, Cody, since you're sitting up like that, let's take a look. Looks good. Good. Look good. Let's echo Keely's in the box. You get a warm belly. Uncle Kruger will visit tomorrow. He actually wants to come in now. A couple of times I've going through the down the hallway, and Cougar is sitting outside the door meowing. What you doing, Keely? I'm pooping. That's what I'm doing. It looks good. They're still very sleepy, so I won't be staying. I just wanted to give Fives his meds and check on incisions. Keely's look good. If you're watching the main cam, I'm testing a new Kitten Cam PC that can do 2 streams, and I got it broadcasting 1 right now, and you'll be able to see a top-down view. If you hold down the shift key or the control key and click on my picture above the chat, and you get to see me up there from up above. You can see the top of my head, etc., etc. But you'll want to mute one of the cams because otherwise you'll get an echo because they're almost never perfectly in sync. So if you want to try, refresh both cams at the same time. Make sure that they're set to quality that you want, such as HD, and then just wait. Eventually they'll get in sync. You know, this may be a very bad idea. And their claws were not trimmed. I didn't trim them because I expected they would trim them during their neuter spay when they're unconscious. So now I'm going to have to get my son to help me. Fun times. I will not do that this visit. Like I said, I'm only going to stay a short period. Because they're still tired. They had a big day. Except for Fives. He just got to sleep and watch everybody else. Wondering what's up with you? What happened to your belly? Which means Fives might be a Cloda's case too, with undescended testicles. They have to go hunt for. Hi, Keely. This is where they tend to normally become really sweet once the hormones all get out of their system. Because even at this age, the hormones definitely play a factor in their behaviors. Boom. Okay. I'll probably switch that cam to the new setup tomorrow around reset time. And then use the Kitten Cam piece, the one I'm using now, as a backup. I have a laptop. The benefit that it'll get rid of the fan noise from the computer. I have a laptop I'm using right now to test with. The webcams are plugged into the laptop, And the laptop has a program that transfers the video signal to another computer that's downstairs. And that computer is basically running two computers, and those two computers will be broadcasting the streams. Think of an inception cam. Okay, you guys fall asleep. Okay. I'm going to tweak this cam a little bit. Now, they shouldn't actually knock the cam down. It's kind of wedged into the grating of the kennel. So it shouldn't become a litter box cam. But then again, these are kittens we're talking about. Devious kittens. Okay, kittens, get some sleep. And you viewers, enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.